The Asset Proxy Owner contract has the authority to upgrade the 0x protocol. Upgrades occur primarily by swapping out the exchange contract for a new version of an exchange contract with updated business logic. However, both exchange contracts can actually coexist at the same time, and typically, the older version would be phased out over time. After any proposed change by the Asset Proxy Owner is approved, 2 weeks must pass before the change can go into effect. Eventually, the Asset Proxy Owner contract itself will be swapped out for a fully fledged governance system. Now, an updated version of the exchange contract is deployed, but it cannot yet access these Asset Proxy contracts. The Asset Proxy Owner removes any authorizations from the Exchange version 2 contract, and then it adds the authorizations to the Exchange version 3 contract so they can now access the Asset Proxy contracts. And this completes the upgrade.